Welcome to Pip Insight. Tuesday the 7th of July, London pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 3 showing bullish structure and 4 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's London pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, pound dollar, dollar Swiss, pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, dollar yen, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold breakdown, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Gold is heading into the London Open with a moderate bearish bias, currently sitting around $4,144 after a clean corrective pullback from the $4,215 high set on the 5th of July. The H4 and H1 structure are both in downtrend, with each rally so far getting capped at progressively lower levels. That $4,187 area acted as a hard ceiling through Monday, and the most recent attempt to push higher stalled at $4,150 during the early Asian session. Sellers are clearly defending that zone. On the downside, the $4,127 to $4,132 area has been absorbing selling pressure and forms a meaningful support band to watch. Below that, $4,113 comes into view. To the upside, resistance clusters between $4,150 and $4,165, with $4,187 as the bigger level any recovery would need to clear convincingly. The EMAs are still bullishly aligned on a medium-term basis, which tells us this is a correction within a larger structure, not necessarily a full reversal. The H for MACD has just tipped negative though, and RSI is drifting lower from overbought territory, both flagging fading momentum. On the fundamental side, FOMC member Bowman speaks at 7 a.m., rated low impact, but any hawkish undertones around rates could strengthen the dollar and add downward pressure on gold. Into the session, the key levels to monitor are $4,150 above and $4,127 below. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 1.3401 and 1.342. Support is marked between 1.3353 and 1.3379. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 162.04 and 162.43. Support is marked between 161.35 and 161.78. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.8068 and 0.80926. Support is marked between 0.80366 and 0.8051. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Aussie dollar. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.6955 and 0.69623. Support is marked between 0.69247 and 0.69396. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.570 for 8 and 0.57176. Support is marked between 0.56789 and 0.56893. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 217.05 and 217.21. Support is marked between 216.34 and 216.53. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the London pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.